Hi viewers, it's Dr. Ahmad from London Medical Anesthetics, and I'm here with you to describe another treatment which is getting very popular. It is an anti-aging treatment and it's called plasma pen treatment or fibroblasting. This is usually carried out by a device which is called plasma pen, and there are different types of plasma pens available in the market. I've got one plasma pen with me. This is without needle at the moment, and there are many different devices such as this available in the market, and it's better to go for something which is FDA approved or at least CE marked. Plasma pen is operated by electrical energy, so it's a rechargeable device. Once it's charged, it's capable of generating the energy. How it works? The energy within the plasma pen is converted into an arc. That arc is formed by the thermal energy combined with oxygen and nitrogen in the gas, and that produces a spark. Now that spark creates the micro injuries onto the skin. Now if I'm holding this pen close to my skin, the arc will be formed in this area between my skin and the device, and that arc will cause the thermal injury. Aseptic clean sterile needle is attached to the device. And now this device, if you look closely, I hope you are able to see that arc which I was talking about, which is formed by the thermal energy when combined with the oxygen and the nitrogen in the air. Now this spark is like a small burn, and I have numbed my area just to demonstrate this. Otherwise, this can be slightly uncomfortable. Plasma pen, as I've described, is an anti-aging treatment, and this can be used anywhere on the body where you want to tighten the skin, you want to improve the lines and wrinkles of the skin. To explain, for example, some people have got slightly droopy eyes, and we can use this treatment on the upper eyelids to open up this area. This can be used in this area above the eyebrows to tighten the skin and lift the eyebrows. This procedure of lifting eyelids is called blepharoplasty. Obviously, it's a surgical procedure which involves incision, and it leaves you with a scar at the end. But when we do it with the plasma pen, it does not lead to any scarring, and this is a non-surgical procedure done in a clinical setting. This pen can also be used to improve the vertical and the horizontal lines of the forehead. It can also be used to improve the nasolabial folds, marionette lines. If you've got any lines in the cheek area, it is also good for the neck lines. Plasma pen can also be used to improve the appearance of the surgical scars, burn scars, and the stretch marks. Any person at the age of 18 and above can have this treatment, and there are very few contraindications to the treatment, namely this should be avoided during pregnancy and lactation, and if there is any active skin lesion in the area of the treatment. It's also advisable to avoid this treatment in people with skin type 5 and 6 to avoid post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. It's a good practice to do a test patch in a different area of the skin and review the skin in a week's time to see if there is any pigmentation which has been caused. The results of this treatment can last for a year or even more, and sometimes there are multiple treatments required to improve the concern. For example, if we are unable to have an adequate lifting of the upper eyelid, We can repeat this treatment after another 3 months period. Now I will show some of my videos while performing the treatments on the eyelid areas, nasolabial folds, and the jaw areas.